Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the reusable block in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, then simply click on enter. After that, when you're in the browser you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com, then simply click on enter. After that you have to just simply put in your login credentials there, and then you have to just simply click on the edit site option from here, and then it will simply take you to a page like this, and from here you can just simply edit your site. So let's say I'd like to choose this one from here, and let's say I'd like to choose this text block, and let's say then you have to just simply click on the three dot, and here you have to just simply click on the create pattern, and you have to just simply name it as, say I'd like to name it sample, and after that you have to just simply click on add, and then it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And then what you need to do is just simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar, and after that you have to simply search for template. Here you can see we are searching for the template, then simply click on enter, and after that it will simply take you to the template, and you have to just simply choose a template part option from here, and you have to just simply place it accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.